What is up, lockpicking newbie here, and I just got a package from Amazon, and seems like I've got packages coming every day from Amazon. I think they might know how to get here on their own. The trucks will probably drive themselves. I think this is going to be another master lock. This is supposedly a commercial grade high security. It's a master lock. Yep, that's it. That is a 575 DPF. This is supposed to be their, well, it says 6. The last one I picked was a 9, and I raked it in like 2 seconds. So I don't know. It's a master lock 575 Delta Papa Foxtrot DPF. Let's get it open and see what we got. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty convinced that if I were going to go with padlocks on anything in this day and age, it would either be Abus, American Lock, or even Yale for that matter. I've actually got a Yale lock here that I'm about to start fooling with. That's a heavy booger. That's a lot heavier than the American locks, the 1100 series. Wow. Okay. Master lock. Says 575 right there on the bottom. And I'm wondering if my leash will even fit it. I don't think so. Nope, not going to pick this one with a leashy tool, that's for sure. Okay, let's look at the bitting. It looks like a rake. I'm wondering if this can be raked, like the last lock I did. Oh, there's no spring action whatsoever. Holy mackerel, nothing pops open at all. It's locked, unlocked. There is 0 spring action on the shackle. You know what? Let's try, let me zoom in. Let's try, let's try, I'm thinking bottom of the keyway, and let's give it a little rake. Let's give it a little rake with the, this is from the Genesis pick set. I don't think that's going to work on this lock. I'm losing my tension. My tension bar won't stay. I think we have to go with top of the keyway tension. I just don't have anything that will. We definitely got to go clockwise. Let's see. Let's try. This is from the Chinese kit. Aha, there we go. Alright, let's try a rake. Let's see if this will rake open. The key looks like a rake. Nope. Maybe too much tension. Oh, I got some turn. There we go, it's open. Just like that. Okay, well, there you have it. Just raked it right open. So, well, not what sure to say about that, but in any event, that's it. The Master Lock 575 has been quickly defeated with a rake using the Genesis. I believe that's a Bogota. I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's a Bogota. Looks like a fancy rake to me, but in any event, that's all I've got for this video. Thanks so much for watching. As always, have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. Lockpicking Newbie out.